Hi, it's Michael back with you from the ASP Product Training Room. Like everything we make at ASP, our training batons are built to take a beating, or I suppose you could say deliver a beating, to a training bag, that is. But all that wear and tear and use and abuse can take their toll, and sooner or later you'll probably find that you need to replace either the outer cover or the inner foam core, or both, on your ASP training batons. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. It's really easy. Most of the tools and materials are commonly available, or you can order a complete repair kit from us here at ASP. The first step is the most time consuming, so in a moment I'm going to switch to a baton that I've already started, but just to show you where to begin, you're going to look for the hem where the cover surrounds the grommet and the handle of the baton, and you'll find an opening in that, and you need to move that aside until you can see the white cable tie inside there. That takes a little bit of work, so as I said, I'm going to switch to a baton that I've gotten started already. So once you see that white cable tie, take a pair of wire clippers and get them in there and cut that off. Alright, so I've gone ahead and clipped the cable tie inside the cover, and of course we throw that away. We can remove the cover, and assuming that we're replacing this, we discard the old cover, and you're left with a foam core that surrounds the inner rod of the baton, which we will set aside for now. If this is the first time you've ever serviced an ASP training baton, your first thought might be, that looks just like plain foam pipe insulation, and you'd be right. We do that very intentionally so that you're able to service your training baton wherever and whenever you need to. You just go to a home improvement store, buy the equivalent size pipe insulation, and you can get back in business. You'll also see at the end of that foam core that there is a tip disc that's taped in place. We put that there as an added safety measure. We don't teach jabbing techniques in ASP baton training, but just in case, we put that protective rubber tip disc at the end for safety. That's probably reusable, so you can cut that off and reuse it when we replace the foam, or you can get new ones in the ASP repair kit. So we'll set that aside and start from scratch with new parts. What we need to complete this is a new foam core, the tip disc, some duct tape, a new cable tie, wire clippers, and of course the replacement cover and the rod from the baton. Okay, next we're going to take our foam core and our tip disc, place the disc centered at the end of the foam core, take some duct tape and fasten that in place. And when you do that, it's a good idea to place the duct tape over the slit that you find along the side of the foam core. Tighten that down, slide it onto the baton rod, set that aside for a moment, then take our new cover and thread the new cable tie through the hem at the end of the cover, like so. I'm going to put that cover over the assembled core and baton and pull it down really tightly. That's important. You want this hem to extend past the grommet, this is the grommet, onto the handle. Then fasten your cable tie. Again, pull it down tightly and crank it down as tight as it'll go. You want it to pretty much gather all the way around the handle here. Once you've got that done, snip off the excess pretty close to where it comes out of the ratchet block of the wire tie. And last but not least, cover that exposed cable tie with the hem of the cover, just like when we first found it. Cover that up, and you are good to go with a brand new training baton. That's all there is to it. I hope you found that helpful, and you can find other training and service videos as well as quick look product videos in the video library at asp-usa.com. Thanks for watching.